go put the hood over here.
Ooh. Ooh.
Sandpaper. We've been sanding. We got a
Ooh.
big crank going.
Oh, baby.
I want to keep the water.
Ooh.
Little sanding action.
Little sanding.
Little sanding and block action.
Nice.
There's rust.
Nice. The Randy progress continues. Old Randall.
You're doing everyone's favorite part, right, Peter?
Yep. I love sanding.
Everyone loves him.
We're fighting over it.
No, I want to do it. Yeah, this 80 grit is way better than the Home Depot stuff that we were using.
Oh yeah, well that's for actual automotive stuff.
The 80, he's got this up there.
No, yeah, well, yeah, but also we're using it on this gunky stuff. Yeah.
Gunky stuff?
Yeah.
I got the
You
320.
guys got some gunky stuff? Are we eliminating
From
the
the
gunky
seal.
stuff? Ah.
It's kind of worn out.
Wow, Peter, you've been a sanding.
Look at that.
You've been one mean, lean sanding machine.
I got a little piece here. I can erase it.
There you go. Peter's frugal. I love it.
Very frugal.
I like it. I like it.